Hello everyone. In our previous videos we have studied about the methods of separation. In that we have studied two methods. One is hand picking method and another is threshing. Now today we are going to study about the another method, that is winnowing. We'll see what is winnowing. Make a mixture of a dry sand with sawdust or powdered dry leaves. Keep the mixture on a plate or a newspaper. Look at the mixture carefully. Can two different components be made out easily? So when there is difficulty to separate two components, we need some another methods. So here also, to remove the husk from the grains, the farmers are using a method that is called winnowing. Now see in the textbook, take your mixture to an open ground and stand on a raised platform. See here in the picture, you will understand. Put the mixture in a plate or a sheet of paper. Hold the plate on the sheet or paper containing the mixture at your shoulder height. Tilt it slightly so that the mixture slides out slowly. Now here see, at the higher position that woman is standing from the ground level, and she is just slightly tilting the soup, we call that, grains from that. What happens? As the wind direction is there in this direction towards her front side, so the whatever husks which are in lighter in weight, they will move away with the help of wind. So this method is useful for separating such type of components. Is there a component that blows away? Yes, husk that blows away is because it is lighter in weight. Did the wind manage to separate the two components? Yes, this method of separating components of a mixture is called winnowing. Is also used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. This method is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. The husk particles are carried away by wind, the seeds of grain yet separated, and form a heap near the platform for winnowing. The separated husk is used for many purposes such as fodder for cattle. Okay, the husk, that remaining part which is unwanted for us, that is also used for different purposes. Many students, those who have their own farms, they might be knowing this method also, and whatever uses are there. So this is the one of the method which is used for separation of two substances. Now another method is sieving. You can see in the picture here shown in the textbook, sieving. The normal sieving method they have shown with the help of siever. Sometimes we may wish to prepare a dish with flour. We need to remove impurities and bran that may be present in it. What do? We use a sieve and pour the flour into it. आपण चाळणीने पीठ चाळून घेतो to remove the unwanted substance from it or the impurities. Sieving allows the fine flour particles to pass through the holes of the sieve while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. In a flour mill, impurities like husk and stones are removed from wheat before grinding it. आपण पण घरी दळून आणायच्या आधी गहू चाळणीने चाळून घेतो. So that is also one type of sieving process. It usually a bagful of wheat is poured on a slanting sieve. The sieve removes pieces of stones, stalk and husk that may still remain with wheat after threshing and winnowing. You may also have noticed similar sieves being used at construction sites. Now see in this picture, sieving they have shown in construction sites also. So these construction sites, pebbles and stones are removed from the sand by this type of sieving. ओके, म्हणजे घर बांधकाम करताना जे बांधकाम करणारे लोक असतात, दे मोस्टली डू दिस थिंग फर्स्ट टू रिमूव्ह द स्टोन्स फ्रॉम द sand. So these are the two methods of separating. See here what is the shown here. Sieving is used to separate minute particles of different sizes, passing it through a sieve. Different size sieves are used to separate different types of mixture containing minute particles. Sieve is a device containing tiny holes and separates wanted elements from the unwanted material. Now these are the two processes we have studied today. There are another methods that we'll see in the next period. For today you just read out all the methods. 4 methods we have finished now. Try to understand the difference between the 4 methods. So we'll stop here. Thank you.